In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminder emails before meetings in Calendly. This is really helpful if you want to reduce no-shows, keep your guests prepared, and make your scheduling feel more professional and automated. We'll walk through exactly where to go in Calendly, what to click, and an important note about your subscription so you don't get stuck wondering why reminders aren't working. Even if you're fairly new to Calendly, you'll be able to follow along. First, log into your Calendly account in your browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the navigation menu for an option called Workflows. This is where Calendly keeps all the automation tools that can run before or after your meetings, including reminder emails. Go ahead and click on Workflows. If you don't see it immediately, it might be in a side panel or under a More menu, depending on your layout, but it will be labeled Workflows. When the Workflows page opens, you'll see a list of possible workflow templates or existing workflows. Among these options, look for one called Email Reminder to Invitee. This is the template Calendly provides specifically to send reminder emails to the person who booked with you, also known as the invitee. Click on Email Reminder to Invitee. After clicking, Calendly will either open the workflow details or, in some cases, prompt you with information about your current plan. This is where the third step comes in. You may need to upgrade your plan first. Calendly reserves some workflow and automation features, including certain reminder automations for paid plans. If you see a message telling you that you need to upgrade, take a moment to review the available plans and choose the one that includes workflows and email reminders. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your upgrade inside Calendly. Once your plan is upgraded, go back to the Workflows section and again select Email Reminder to Invitee. From there, you'll be able to customize when the reminder goes out, such as a day before or an hour before the meeting, and adjust the wording of the email so it matches your tone and includes any important details your guests should know. And that's the overall process. Open